Good things come to those who wait, but better things will be gained by those who go out and get them. And my friends, that's what we are aspiring to do each and every day, is to master these charts. Do not worry about how long it takes. Once you master the charts, you'll make up for every minute you ever spent. Let's jump in. Everything is green for the day. S&P 500 up 1.38%. Is this not just beautiful as we see this rally just keep on keeping on? What can I say? We are up. We're in the green on the weekly. Price is well above it on the 2-day and the half-day. We just see up, 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 up. And it's beautiful. And it'll go up for how long? As long as it does until it goes down. What do we see with the Qs? 1.27%. Last week was weak. This week, rebounding. We can see those 4 days of where things went down, hit on the weekly trend line on that 2-day chart and bounced off. Same on the half day. Up in the morning, further up in the afternoon. Just absolutely beautiful. What about 20-year bonds? Well, we had that stutter there for a couple of days where they went down starting on Friday the 8th and Monday the 11th, and then slowly turning around up 2.22%. My friends, just beautiful. And of course, we had that turnaround what? With higher than average volume where things bottomed. Then we had the green spin, the telltale signs of beautiful volume connected with Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, finding a low, turning around with a spinning top and shooting up. It is just gorgeous, and it keeps on going. Now, here's what's interesting. Bonds up 2.22%. Gold up exactly the same. But now gold is a whole different thing. It is weird. We are below the trend line here. We can see where we had a really bad 2 days, Monday, Tuesday. This Wednesday candle is a doji that is forming on the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. Not much in the morning. Zooming up in the afternoon. That doesn't mean this has recovered. We, of course, broke our trend line. It's good to see gold trying to move up. We'll try to sort through just what's going on here. Right now, we don't know because we are negative. We are through the weekly trend line on the 2-day and the half-day. The half-day has been through it for many days. And again, just this afternoon, bump up. But that is where gold is. Bitcoin rebounding nicely, 2.54%. We had Bitcoin really go down strong on Monday. And then, of course, we see it dangling around there on Tuesday. But on Wednesday, moving back up. Now we're above the weekly trend line on the 2-day and the half-day. And we see this 2-day. We had that 2 days of red down candles, the first we'd really seen since going all the way back to October 11. Now we have a doji, first day of the latest 2-day candle. And again, a weird candle here. Did pop up nicely, but not reaching the high last week. We will keep our eye on things. Look at all that volume. Look at that. We are already above average volume on Wednesday. Now that red, of course, means that we opened lower than the prior close. That's what causes the candle to be red. That's how we have our volume set up on our charts. So that is where we are, folks, as we end the day on Wednesday. Patreon members, I'll be recording for you as soon as we finish this one. Our Charting Cryptos, Commodities, and Currencies comes out earlier to Patreon members, comes out later to everyone else. 3-wave trades are just for you, my friends. Plus, of course, tomorrow we will be giving you the weekly vertical crossovers. We strive to get you 20 of them. They are S&P 500 charts that are crossing over on the weekly chart from negative, positive, positive to negative, and we go through there and curate them based upon volume and other things that might make them more likely to help you with successful practice trades than just posting everything. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.